Hi, my name is Cameron with Frontier Precision, and today I will be going over the new Juniper Connect application for the Archer 4 and how to connect to the Juniper RTK network. To begin, let's download the Juniper Connect app from the Play Store. In order to download the application onto the device, you will need to sign in with a Google account email. Next, in the search bar, type in Juniper Connect. Once you see the Juniper Connect application, click the Install button and allow the application to fully download. If you'd like, once the application is fully downloaded, you can edit your screen by holding onto the app on the touchscreen and dragging it to the desired location. Here I am creating a group for my other Juniper Systems applications to keep things organized. Next, let's open and explore the Juniper Connect app. If this is your first time opening the Juniper Connect application, you will see this Connect Device screen. Click the orange plus sign at the bottom of the screen and choose the Archer 4 GNSS expansion option. Next, click Continue to allow location sharing abilities. Choose the Precise and While using the app options. Next, we will choose Allow for notifications. Once we finish our configuration settings, we will see the Connecting to Archer 4 GNSS expansion notification appear and begin to see accuracy and location details. Next, let's click the settings icon at the bottom of the screen and go to App Preferences. Let's scroll to the bottom of the App Preferences page and locate the Mock Locations menu. Click the Enable Mock Locations button, then click Open Developer Options. This will automatically navigate you to the Archer 4 Devices Settings Developer Options menu and direct you to select the Mock Locations app. Click here and choose Juniper Connect as your mock location. Click the arrow in the top left corner to navigate back to the Juniper Connect application. Once we are back to the home screen, we can see here after a short amount of time, our GNSS accuracy has increased, we have our latitude and longitude, and we are getting sub-meter correction from the SBAS network. From here, we are able to begin collecting data in a sub-meter environment. However, we can connect to an RTK network such as Juniper RTK or another Ntrip network. Note that in order to do this, we need to have an internet source or have a DAC SIM card set up within our Archer 4 to have cellular connectivity. For this example, we will show how to access the Juniper RTK network. To begin, click the settings icon at the bottom right side of the screen and click the account icon at the top of the screen. Here you will input your Juniper Systems credentials and click Sign In. Once we are signed in, navigate to the Configure Juniper RTK options seen here. Here we can set our coordinate reference system to either global, which is WGS84, or local, which will be NAT83 2011. If you would like to connect to a different RTK or Ntrip network, click the RTK Ntrip profiles and then click the orange plus sign at the bottom of the screen. Here you can input the necessary login credentials needed to access these networks. Let's navigate back to the home screen and click the blank space next to the green play button in the Select RTK Provider menu at the top of the screen. Choose the Juniper RTK option and then click the green play button. Note that you need to be outside with an initial location position in order to connect to the RTK network. You may have difficulty connecting to this network initially if you are inside or under dense canopy coverage. As we can see now, our accuracy has significantly increased and we will see we are properly connected to the RTK network. From here, we are ready to begin collecting data. However, we will quickly review some of the other helpful resources with the Juniper Connect app. Click the satellite icon to view a sky plot of all satellites you are currently connected to and which satellites we are gaining corrections from. The terminal tab shown here will show us our real-time data streams such as NEMA strings and raw GNSS sentences. In the Settings tab, we can click on Receiver Info and Firmware to check the Archer 4's unique ID and GNSS firmware. Lastly, in the Settings tab, click on Receiver Configuration to edit advanced details such as update baud rate, NEMA precision, and satellite configuration settings. If we have finished collecting data for the day, remember to disconnect from the RTK network by clicking the pause icon. It is highly recommended to disconnect the Archer 4 GNSS expansion pod to help preserve battery life. Do this by clicking the Archer 4 GNSS expansion tab at the top of the screen, then clicking Disconnect. This concludes our tutorial on Juniper Connect and the Juniper RTK network for the Archer 4.